Hello everyone and welcome to episode 141 of the castle. We're going to be getting all the stone we can from down here and moving it up the top. That's the plan.
Run! This place is awesome!
A lot of people came to look at a pile of stone.
Once upon a time it was dinner time. Big bad pig getting eaten by the wolf tonight. Blow down my house, one shame on me. Blow it down twice, nope, that's not happening. Reinforced steel and I'm building up my winners. No lone wolf, here the whole pack starts grinning. You see one shadow, then three, then 12. Stacking up levels and put them on my shelves. Climb out of your rivers and we see in the dark. They come and swing and let them up from the yard.
Got a visit from Cool Guy and Trevor from the car shop.
Driving in steel beams with a sledgehammer. Sigils and action in the right hand. A rune trip wise like magic, light 'em up. You set off a war, now I don't give a fuck. Solid cold
They're all waving.
getting driven in the
Gonna get some more stone now. There's a small crowd visiting from the motor club. They all came to say hi. It's nice of them. Big one.
Change genetic limits. Turn back time to the Emerald Cities. Fight of Aaron, cut down my moan. Vaporize your altars.
We had a little visit from Barry and Sue.
Smell of fear and it lingers in the air. Crown on my head on the first night on air.
See his way out.
Through the wall. Daily, don't forget. And we remote view them all. Satellite gift for an extra pair of eyes. Don't need a screen, telepathic link, nice. Switch frequencies and trace all your signals. Wi-Fi like a rainbow on the towers with a jingle. Solid
There's some big stones right there. Covered in oysters though.
I'm young, but I'm really, really old. Stone up
I was gonna take all these stones and I gotta wheel them all the way back over there to the castle.
Change genetic limits. Turn back time to the Emerald Cities.
Alright, so I've been trying out this concealed plate armor.
Revelation in Leviticus, smithing relics so intimate. Physicality downgraded from being limitless.
I'm writing scripture in the margins of my notebook. Tiny gospel in the coffee stains. Every sentence is a seed I'm gonna skyhook. Throw it past gravity, out past the pain. See the future in the bend of every comma. Constellations in a single word. Give me paper, I'll design a new Kabbalah. Let my alphabet redraw the world. Daily my name now, but I have many names. I live and die and treat my body like a game. Pantheon mind uploads for immortality. Seek life that way and find slavery, and eternally beg to get back mortality. In your spirit, like a casa in your blood. Ninth eye, so vivid, gene mods cause of flood. Illusions of opposing teams got us bleeding. Bungas can't save you from soul cohesion. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the timeline's slow. I will freeze time, catch it all in my fist. Make a planet from the dust that the old gods missed. I'll become the universe, not a soul, not a guest. I'll become the universe, because I must. Because I must. I talk to silence like a student and a teacher. Ask the void what it's so scared to show. Every atom is a hidden little preacher. Every echo is a sermon in code. Build a temple out of questions with no answers. Stack my doubts into a golden throne. When I'm ready, I'll be pulling at the anchors. Drag the oceans to the edge of what I own. Our seals all open, time all changed. Wind back time to before matter remained. Infinite dimensions with permutations. There is no such thing as an innovation. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D. Layers in the matter and layers in the lines. Magnetic fields that twist and...
How are you?
Good, thank you.
What are you up to? This is impressive. Wow. How many trips are you doing? One. That looks so impressive from up there. Does it like fill up with water and stuff?
Yes. It's a little hot ball. It's hot in the summer. It's still cold.
How long have you been going for?
I started in January.
Just leave me. Yeah.
I must. If I don't rise, what was I named? If I don't shine, who's left to blame? If I don't bend the sky to trust, then every breath was turning rust. So watch me merge.
Yes. On here.
Yeah.
And I thought if the digger comes again, it'll have to go through a marsh. And then finally,
With all that was, watch me burn and bloom from ash and dust. Each atom a planet, each planet an atom, a galaxy, a cell, and a universe, a molecule. Matter factories regenerate your follicles. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the timeline is slow. I will freeze time. Catch it all in my fist, make a planet from the
Looking for some
dust. If the
snacks.
old gods missed, I'll become the universe.
There's
Not a
plenty of
soul, not a
snacks.
guest, I'll become the
got to
universe.
know where to look.
I must,
this guy does know where to look. This is around about the 8th floor.
I'm stacking up rocks in my palace like I'm Cheezer. The whole castle series is a foreshadow teaser. Maybe I'm annoying cause I ain't a crowd pleaser, but my castle's girly killer whale hungry and my enemies I feed her. Turn the sound up loud till the earth stone cracks. I'ma toss these boulders like my first name's Zang. Ain't gonna catch me bending nether on camera. Ain't try to shut down and break with my mind in anger. Stack those stones one by one. Stack these rocks till they weigh a ton. Crocodile Danley, chillin' in the sand heap. Jump a killer whale with the saddle like I'm Bambi. Crocodile Danley, chillin' in the sand heap. Jump a killer whale with the saddle like I'm Bambi. Stacking up ammo like my name Rambo. Hiding in the water with my natural camo. Turn the sound up loud till the earth stone cracks. I'ma toss these boulders like my first name's Ed. Ain't gonna catch me bending nether on camera. Pop and shut down and break with my mind in anger. Turn the sound up loud till the earth stone cracks. I'ma toss these boulders like my first name's Ed. Ain't gonna catch me bending nether on camera. Pop and shut down and break with my mind in anger. Stack those stones one
There'd
by
be a little
one.
blackbird
Stack these rocks
looking for
till they
snacks
weigh a
inside
ton.
the seaweed stuff.
He
must be finding something 'cause he's still going.
Look
at him go. Digging a little hole. I think he's eating all those little sea lice things that normally bite me. Now they're getting bit. They're getting bit by the blackbird. They're getting bit vitally by the blackbird. I bet they're bitter now. Alrighty, I got myself a giant load of comfy wood. I intend on making a lovely cozy bed. Alrighty, I have a bunch of lovely dry grass and some warm looking sticks, and I'm going to take them to the top of my little pile of stones and make a nice little cozy nest of sticks, because I bet that's slightly warmer to sleep on than stones are. Perhaps if all the three little piggies work together and built their house out of stones, sticks and straw,
dollar store, quick happiness keeps my mind so fine and dandy. Send your scouts, they bring me candy. False report me to the system, but I designed the algorithm. Sending Clinton to SS me mental health scams. They blackmail plenty, all blackmail me. Get scorched by centuries, building cases. They forged in lies, my legions laugh up in the skies. Files on me, all building up, try to erase me like what the truck dumps. Smear Kim Rians and cold like cold shoulder. Meanwhile I You send police and fire trucks. You think I think this really sucks, but each attack is getting weaker. Now their future is looking bleaker. I love these games, they are adorable.
Buddy, I've got one
They
more
are
load of
like
sticks
cranky
for my little
toddlers, but
nest.
more abhorrible. They have their little meetings, practicing their greeting, street theater and amateur gang stalking. They about to see their
Right, everyone, that's the end of episode
deadlines
141.
walking.
Where I have added a little
Danny
nest.
has 100
We've got a cozy little nest to sleep on.
plans, but
And
Danny
we've got some more
doesn't
foundation
need
rocks. These things are huge.
We
They
know
look kind of
secrets
small on
that they
camera, but here's my hand. They're kind of big.
So
They're
they
not
all
super
call
huge,
us
but
all
how big?
heathens.
Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you.
They are many, I am one. Cold ambrosia in the sun, babbling brooks and naughty fun. Stones I move 100 tons. Gentle breezes bring us news. Satellites have better views. Wi-Fi site and info spews. Costs us end up on the news. La da 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 da. You try to lock me away, but I just multiply, thinking that you can just conquer and make me divide. I have spies in all your ranks. I'm crafting boxes out of planks, and they're drones and helicopters. They're all going home in boxes. I love their silly little laws. Familiars tear them up with claws. The birds and fish and trees and animals report to me, oh so fantastical. Electric eyes in all their houses. Commander of armies, I'm well-rounded. So fancy like British pounds, yeah. Welcome to my acoustic library. There's much you'll find inside. Come say hi and don't be so damn shy. Winky face.